Hello everybody, so this time we have a Volvo XC90. Yes, you will ask, why on the hook? That's because it's not possible to start. And where the problem is with this nice, lovely, look on this Thor Hammer, because it's Sweden and stuff like that. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. That's a not big deal. The big deal is you can't bloody start the car because of this, look. Yes, it's steering lock. It's steering column lock. It says Portugal. Yes, there's some ID numbers if you need it. Steering lock, already remove it. It's been replied 10,000 times and no success. And then we have another thing. It's an electronic control unit. Here we go. On these Volvos, look, air decision. Yes, lovely. The same location is just there. You can see, not problem at all. We already tried to clone it. Yes, you can clone it and blah, blah, blah. That's not the big deal. The big deal is you can't start the vehicle. Yes, because everything lights come up and stuff like that. But the vehicle not starts at all. So you try a couple of times and does not succeed at all. Look. Blinks. We have all the lights and it says ignition on. And it does not anything. This big screen comes on, a little bit dirty, but that's not the big deal. The big deal is how to start this Volvo and how to program this thing, new one, or this thing off. That's the question. If you know the solution, just feel free to contact. Definitely we would like to do it if it could be possible. But at the moment, what I can tell you, if we go all the systems, here you go, steering column and stuff like that, yes, we can go and see there is no fault codes at all. As you can see, no fault codes, all okay, la 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 la. But engine, same steering, here we go. So lovely. After you got inside of electronic control unit, you just go trouble codes. And inside of the trouble codes, confirm it, B10 2649, steering column lock system internal fault, internal electronic fault. You can click very easy search button. La 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 la, and you have a plenty of some says these, some say these. You just click on the videos, try to find any video. As you can see, steering lock, please turn steering wheel. So there's a plenty of stuff which one you can find, but none of these is good for understanding what to do next. That's the tricky part. I don't know. If we have old one steering lock, then there is no problem. We can pretty easy just program that stuff out. This one steering lock is a bit problem. Lovely. We have a fault code, we have a problem, and we don't have a solution. So at the moment, I don't know what to say. Car won't start. Only way is just swapping that module. I don't know, go to dealer or anybody who have online, who can do online coding for the Volvos. I don't know, maybe in some day will be some options, then we can program that stuff off. But not at the moment. We cannot get this thing out of the configuration. Yes. So, what can I say? Thank you very much for watching. Good luck of this, what it is that it is. And probably see you in the next video when we're gonna solve that problem out. Bye.